And the Day of Judgment will begin by setting up mawazin. وَنَضَعُ الْمَوَازِينَ الْقِسْطَ لِيَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ. We're going to place mizan, scales. And there's going to be scales for every single person. You will have your own scale waiting for you. And there's going to be 3 types of people when it comes to the scale. 3 types of people. The first, يَدْخُلُونَ الْجَنَّةَ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. They're going to enter Jannah without any hisab, which means they skip the scales. And this is going to be the elite of the elite. Not even the average elite, if you like, if there's such a thing. This is going to be the highest, the crème de la crème, as they say. The Prophet ﷺ said that there's going to be only 70,000 people. Now you think 70,000 is a huge amount. Do the calculations. Right now we're 1 billion Muslims. Add to that all the Muslims from the time of the Prophet ﷺ. Add to that till the Day of Judgment. And then he said there's going to be 70,000, which is then a drop in the bucket. 70,000, they will enter Jannah without hisab. In one version he says, for every one of these, Allah will grant another 70,000. So you do the math, it's 1.49 million. Still, 1.49 million is not, it's not that much. Nonetheless, this is going to be يَدْخُلُونَ الْجَنَّةَ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. They don't even have to go through the hisab. There's not going to be a weighing. And this is what we strive and ask Allah for, even though we realize it's going to be for that elite. Who they are, that's a topic of another discussion. The second category when it comes to the hisab is that they're going to have a generic hisab. The Prophet ﷺ made a dua to Allah that, oh Allah, we want hasibna hisaban yasira. We want to have an easy hisab. Aisha asked, what does this mean? What is a hisaban yasira? And so the Prophet ﷺ said, this is just the ard. This is just to show. It's not going to be each individual item. It's going to be, how do I say this? A general check, if you like, right? It's a general sheet. You're not going to be stopped for every individual item, right? There's not going to be a tax accountant coming and stopping you. Right? It's a general, like most of our tax IRS just takes it without looking. But when they do an audit, what happens? We begin to sweat and we begin to make dua to Allah and what that. So this is hisab yasir. That you just let it go. And this will be given for the righteous of the believers. The average righteous of the believers who have done good and who have minimal sins, their hisab will be generic hisab. The rest of mankind, this is the kafir and the fasiq, i.e. the non-Muslim and the Muslim with very weak iman, that person will be getting an individualized hisab. Every single point. Didn't you do this? Didn't you do that? Why did you do this? And that will be a torture in and of itself. For the Muslims, some of them, this type of hisab will be their punishment and Allah will forgive them. Because of that punishment. Because simply being questioned by Allah is of course a punishment. And some of them deserve just that much punishment. So this hisab is their punishment that will cause them to then enter Jannah. They've gotten rid of the sin that they have. For others, this punishment is the beginning of yet further punishment.